for this movie, she was supposedly taking the credit for the director. Thankfully, that has been sorted.
वो rebel nature, that's her second nature. वो है वो वैसी वाली. You can feel offended. मैं जितना प्रोफेशनल बात कर रहा हूँ वो पर्सनल पे भी आ रहा था हमारे कि how can she say like this, or she was feeling how can I, but deep down being a director heartbeat तो मेरी रहेगी, you know, ये जिद नहीं है, ये जरूरत है. Hi, I am Anand L. Rai and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Consider that you work with Kangana in at least 2 films. So with this entire, she's a terrific artist. When Karnika trailer has come out today, I think she is looking mind-blowing the way she's looking right now. But this entire perception that has been built around her, that in terms of that even for this movie, she was supposedly taking the credit for the director. Thankfully, that has been sorted, and so the director is getting his due credit. And but yeah, even before that, the entire Apurva Asrani thing, the way it happened with Simran, and even before that. So how do you look at this? Look at the way things have happened, because she delivered like a 150 crore film with you, and I think she became the first woman to deliver such a big hit as a solo lead. And so how do you look at these many perceptions that are
this
around
is again how I said about Anurag, fantastic human being. His second nature is being a fighter. और वो लड़ता है शुरू से, you know, from Panch to, you know, what I like about Anurag, I'll tell you, जो मेरे अंदर नहीं है, is मैं कोई भी बात करने से पहले 2 बार सोच के ये देखता हूँ कि नहीं यार, it might hurt somebody, right? Even if I know कि ये truth है, अनुराग कंधे पे हाथ रखेगा, सामने वाला हर्ट भी होगा और ये अपनी बात भी बोलेगा. There is nothing wrong in it. मुझे कई बार लगता है कि मैं अपनी बात लाइक मेरे को हमेशा लगता है कि हम 2 वैसे वाले मेकर्स हैं जहाँ मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि वक्त बदल रहा है, थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. अनुराग 2 स्टेप आगे है, इनसे वक्त बदल गया है, थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड. वो वहां से शुरू होता है. सो दैट्स हिज सेकंड नेचर. ना कंगना अगेन वो है उसके अंदर. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो जब व्हेन वी वर मेकिंग तनु इट्स मनु 1, लाइफ वाज डिफरेंट, नोबडी वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीबडी. मुझे एक्ट्रेस मिल गई थी, तो उसको एक ऐसी सी फिल्म मिल गई थी जहाँ पे मैंने शी वाज हैप्पी दैट देयर इज अ डायरेक्टर हु सेड आई वांट टू सी कंगना एज तनु, और आई वांट टू सी एज घर की बेटी, because before that you were there for gangsters and all those roles which were totally opposite of what Tanu के जो ingredients थे. So at that time it was a small film, a new director, an actress getting a chance which she has not played before. Life smooth थी, no much expectations from it. एंड क्योंकि मैंने अपने लाइफ के 10 साल लगा दिए थे, मेरे को करना ही था, मेरे को ये कहानी वैसे ही सुनानी थी जब मुझे सुन. सो आई मैनेज्ड, लाइफ मूव्ड ऑन. मुझे रांझना बनानी थी, मैं रांझना पे चला गया. कंगना की लाइफ में क्वीन हो गई, एंड देन वी मेट अगेन लाइक फ्रेंड्स. और ऐसा नहीं है कि उसकी मेरी मतलब फ्रेंड्स लाइक वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स है. शी इज हैप्पी विद माई सक्सेस, आई एम हैप्पी विद हर सक्सेस. But when we met for Tanu It's Manu Returns, मेरी लाइफ के 4 साल बीत गए थे. 1 से रिटर्न्स में I had my own graduation as a director. She from Tanu It's Manu to Queen and then reaching on Returns, she had her own growth. So when we met, she was trying to find वो वाला आनंद जो 1 में था. I was trying to find वो वाली कंगना. And we were not same when we met again.
Sure.
We had our own likings for each other as persons, but as a maker or as an actor, अरे हम लोग थोड़े बदल गए थे. So there were times where I said, "Dear, I was expecting that you will receive it like this," and she was expecting me. एंड अगेन मैं जितना प्रोफेशनल बात कर रहा हूँ वो पर्सनल पे भी आ रहा था हमारे कि हाउ कैन शी से लाइक दिस, और शी वाज फीलिंग हाउ कैन, बट
So she had reservations, sir.
we both were like unable to, we were trying to find जो 4 साल पहले वाले थे. मैं बदल गया था, मुझे उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं था.
बहुत ह्यूमन नेचर है, that's the way.
ठीक है, but the best part was we both were making film. She was there for the film. She had grown as an actor. That was a great advantage for me when I was making returns. And at the same time, it was if I would have made Tanu Eds Manu returns before Ranjana, वो ऐसी नहीं दिखती. So कहानी के लिए हम दोनों की ग्रोथ वर्क कर रही थी. But वो रिबेल नेचर, दैट्स हर सेकंड नेचर. वो है वो वैसी वाली. यू कैन फील ऑफेंडेड, बट देन जैसे मैंने अनुराग के लिए बोला, व्हाई शुड आई चेंज हिम, एंड सेम वे व्हाई विल शी चेंज, शी विल हैव दिस. ये चीजें सुनाई देती रहेंगी आपको कि अरे सिमरन में ये हुआ, अरे डायरेक्टर का क्रेडिट नहीं, अच्छा हुआ नहीं है कंगना ने.
But will you be apprehensive, say, when you work, if you work with her for the next time, for the next one, which, because you know it's a winning franchise, I think she would love to be a part of it. I'm sure that you would love to make it at some point. So would you be apprehensive, or will there be any clauses?
No, we are grown up people will sit and talk.
This is what your domain will be, and this is my domain.
Again, मैं उसको उस तरह से डिवाइड नहीं करूंगा डोमेन. I don't feel कि फिल्म मेकिंग मेरे लिए वैसी वाली.
It's a collaboration.
कि यार मैं ये मेरे स्पेस में मत आना. That's not me. But deep down, being a director, हार्ट बीट तो मेरी रहेगी. You know, ये जिद नहीं है, ये जरूरत है. That heartbeat has to be any film which I have, because why I go for a story, because I feel for it, because I'll give my heartbeat to it. So that I won't change. Rest I'm also ready to fight, and I never decide for कि आज के बाद मैं इस एक्टर के साथ कभी काम नहीं करूँगा. नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं. It is never that.
Because you know, Joe, personally, why I think I feel that the reason why you're respected a lot as a producer is that you give that freedom to the director. So obviously, many a times, like I have personally met producers who can be so domineering that वो तो मतलब आप उनको अगर इंटरव्यू में भी नहीं चाहो तो वो जबरदस्ती इंटरव्यू में आ जाते हैं डायरेक्टर और एक्टर्स के साथ में, तो ताकि वो भी दिख जाए. So I've experienced that as well. So the best thing about you is that you give that space. I've seen the way you let Ashwini Iyer flower in Neel Bhatte Sannata, be it obviously Anurag is a senior guy, but even apart from that, Shubh Mangal Savda, and the way you just gave the entire platform to the editor, to the director. So you never try to hog it like that, you know, it is an Anand L. Rai film. So which is beautiful, because क्या है कि अगर आप credit hog नहीं करना चाहोगे तो वो अपने आप से आएगा, because there is a certain credibility which is attached to you. But still, so say for example, if the way since you've worked with Kangana for the matter, do you feel that she is a brilliant artist? I think that when you see her on screen and the amount of effort that she is putting in, but maybe the activities which are around her personal life, and even apart from that, the way she picks up the fights, many times media plays it a lot because, and it works, the entire nepotism debate and all those things, the way they happen. In a way, do you feel that it impacts her adversely in a way? Because, you know, if you're an artist for that matter, obviously कौन क्या करना चाहता है वो उसका prerogative है.
बिल्कुल.
But still, there's so many things which have happened around her personal life maybe, and then she just goes hammers and tongs ahead with that. Do you feel it impacts her? Maybe as an artist, आप फिल्में करते रहो. Ultimately, that's what you'll be known for, and that's what you should be known for.
But again, Faridun, that's why she's different from others. This is her make, you know. Whether this makes her an easy person or a difficult person, but she's original, you know, with all complexities or a certain kind of nature. That's make Kangna, you know. And you know, the best part is that you know that she is like this, and you are aware of this for quite some time now. But then there are films which will happen. There are films which will require somebody like her to play that part. मुझे लगता है वो decisions जो है ना, वो आपको नहीं रोकनी चाहिए to go and act to an actor. Tomorrow if I have a character, I feel यार this requires this kind of rage or this kind of madness from an actor to bring on the table for this character. This should happen. You know, there are certain roles which you see कि ये अनुष्का के साथ ही हो सकता है, और ये इस रोल में आपको कंगना दिख रही है, या आपको इस रोल में दीपिका दिखती है. देयर आर लाइक देन ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि ओ अब मैं ये नहीं करूँगा. आई नो कि विद हर देयर आर टाइम्स, अब क्योंकि मैं काम कर चुका हूँ तो मेरे को ये पता है कि मेरे को उससे पहले क्या बात करनी. आई नो, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग हर टू चेंज, बट same way I'll express myself कि this is where I'm coming from.
Absolutely.
That expression should be there.
You can put things into perspective better. Okay.
Hi, I'm Anand L. Rai and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.